Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. My journey began as a Filipino born and raised in Mindanao, the eldest from a brood of 5. I was educated in the Catholic system and imbued with kasabihan and salawikain. I am a registered medical technologist and a licensed physician. I trained at the Philippine General Hospital and returned to Davao City as the first child and adolescent psychiatrist. But driven by a desire to give my children a better future, we landed in Calgary in 2013. With high hopes, I wanted to reinvent myself as a social worker. But given that my credentials were not comparable to Canadian standards, I had to abandon my vision and instead joined the Canadian workforce as a child care specialist. Those were the hardest days of my journey. But driven by my dreams and my sipag at tiyaga, I never stopped striving. Pag may tiyaga, may nilaga became my battle cry. In between work shifts, I volunteered at the Stress Center Calgary to ensure continuity of my knowledge and skills in mental health. I joined review classes for international medical graduates, preparing to take the Canadian licensure exams. I worked until 5 in the afternoon and sat in class until 9 in the evening. The work I did at the crisis center did not only ensure continuity of my skills in mental health, but it further honed my communication skills in English. I kept my mind sharp with those crossword puzzles on the Daily Metro newspaper in Calgary each morning when I take the bus and the train to commute to work. I was born and raised as a Catholic. I remember how my grandfather never failed to bring us to church on Sundays. My mother is a Marian devotee who's always told us that regardless of how hard life can be, that I should dedicate my life and my household to the intervention of the Blessed Mother. I have met and made friends who came from different religious backgrounds, but I am able to sit down with them to engage in a courteous discussion. I remember a dear friend, a wonderful young lady from Kurdistan, who I can sit down with to discuss mental health, religious beliefs, and practices with utmost respect. As we celebrate our nation's independence, I am proud to say that my culture and heritage brought me to where I am today. I am now based in Prairie as an independent contractor for Alberta Health Services. I see child and youth patients in the community and surrounding areas, from up north in High Level to down south in Grand Cache. I see adult patients at the Queen Elizabeth II Hospital as part of the general roster for on-call psychiatry. I am also affiliated with the University of Alberta as a preceptor to family medicine residents rotating in the department. My journey as a Filipino-Canadian hasn't been easy. But with divine intervention, the wisdom and strength of my heritage, and my salawikain, I found my true north. I am Dr. Ann Jabido-Artuz, proudly Filipino.